What's going on YouTube? So it's Martin
and Kristina
from Thrift Store Gold back at you with another video. So in today's video, guys, you saw the title. We're going to be showing you guys the best way to make money in 2019 in our opinion. So let's cut this intro and get right to it. Okay, so now that you guys are back from that intro, her name is Kristina, my name is Martin. We're a reselling couple. We do thrifting, retail arbitrage, so that's what we've been doing for how many months? Like 4 or 5, 6?
Like 6 now.
Yeah, wow, that's crazy. So if you want to check out all of our videos, we got over 100 videos you guys can definitely check out and get to know us more. But yeah, we're going to be telling you guys what we think is the best way to make money selling online in 2019. So let's just cut right into it. Selling on eBay.
Yeah.
Okay, so selling on eBay seems pretty basic, but it's really go through all your old stuff in your house and sell that, because that's where you can make the best money and the most profit, because you haven't paid for that stuff in so long to where it's pretty much 100% profit if you can make a buck out of it. So go through anything in your old house. I bet anybody watching can pick out about almost $400 to $500 of stuff in their house. That's minimum, guys. Like we've probably picked out almost 700 by now. And sold that much. We have so much listed. We probably almost have $1,000 stuff that we just accumulated from our house. Yeah. So that's definitely the biggest thing, make money and then sell that on eBay. And if you guys don't know how to list on eBay or anything, we have a couple videos that you guys can check out. But yeah, I mean, just selling your old stuff on eBay is definitely like the #1 way to make money, because you have the most profit right there. And then you can also go to like tag sales, garage sales, yard sales. They're all the same, but I don't know what you guys call it, so I just listed them all in one. But then thrift stores, you got Goodwill, Savers, Family Thrift. You can go to discount stores like Ross, Marshalls, Ollie's.
I don't know if they really have good stuff.
Yeah, I mean, we've checked out Ollie's a couple times. We've bought a couple things from Ollie's. But yeah, I mean, just selling what you guys have is probably the best thing. That's what we have. And I mean, our progress has been going pretty good. We'll show you guys our 60-day total right now. So we're at about 4,000. No, 1,400. Yeah, so we're about like 1,400. So we're doing pretty good. We've been keeping consistent about 60 things sold in our 60-day total. So we're really happy with that. We're at 70 right now because we've been grinding. So pretty much Kristina's been grinding. But our tip to you is to just resell your old stuff, because that's just the best way you can make money. I know we said it 100 times in this video, but that's really the 100% best way to make money, selling your stuff online in 2019.
Yeah, because like you truthfully you bought yourself like the nicer things.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So like you have those nice things to sell.
And you kept it clean for the most part.
Yeah, exactly. Because you want to keep your stuff in tip-top shape, so why not sell that stuff that you don't use that's in tip-top shape?
Exactly, yeah. So that was pretty much our video. We hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to smash that like button if you like this video. Leave a comment down below. Share some of your tips or some of your ways to sell online. And subscribe if you're new to this channel. So her name is Kristina. My name is Martin. Go crush it, guys. Peace.